This is question 1 in 2024 IGCSE paper. It's tricky. Students get confused and get it wrong, and then it affects how they do the rest of the paper. So always make sure to do the first questions correctly. It helps you relax and it helps you get the next of the questions easily. Now let's read the question and let's learn how to do such questions. Here are 8 numbers written in order of size. This is important. H, J, and K are integers, so it can't be decimal, it can't be fractions, it's just numbers. That's good. The median is 8, the median is 10, the mode is 18, the range is 13. Try to not to start by the median. Start with the mode always, because the mode is just a number. It doesn't require any operation. It's just seeing it. The mode is the most repeated, the most frequent. So that means 18 repeated more than any other number. Can you see? 7 repeated once, 8 repeated once, maybe 2 if this is 8. 16 repeated once. So the only number that repeated twice is K. That means K is 18. We got K. K equals 18. That's good. Now, how do we find J and H? Look at this part here, the last part. It says the range is 13. The range is the largest minus the smallest. So we got the largest, it's 18. 18 minus H, the smallest, should be 13. So 18 minus what is 13? 18 minus 5. So we got H. H equal 5. We just now need to find J. J is the median. The median is the middle one. Let's do the nice thing. I like it. I love it. This thing. And we got 2 numbers in the middle. So when you get 2 numbers, you add them and divide by 2 to get the median, right? So let's add 8 plus J divided by 2 equals the median, which is 10. So 8 plus what? Divide by 2 equals 10. 20 divided by 2 equals 10, right? That means this is 20. So 8 plus what is 20? 8 plus 12. That means J equals 12. And that's your 3 marks. This is how you solve these questions. Please do not panic when you have such question. Just be calm, relax, and do it. Especially the first, the second, the third questions. It's all right. You know how to do it. The first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth. Trust yourself. Tell yourself, I can do the first 5 questions. Just don't doubt yourself. If you do the first 3 or 4 questions, the rest of the exam will be easy because you will not be nervous. You'll be relaxed. All right. So whenever you have the exam paper in front of you, tell yourself, I can do the first 3 questions. I can do it. I can do it. And then I'm sure you can do it. And then solve the rest of the paper. It will just be a piece of cake. Now let's go to question 2. Question 2 is even funnier. Question 2 asks us to graph these lines.